The Career and Technical Education Program, also known as CTE, is an essential component of YELM's educational framework, designed to provide students with practical skills and knowledge necessary for success in various industries. The CTE program continues to offer a diverse range of courses that align with industry standards and demands, even though we reduced 50 course offerings in high school agriculture, business, manufacturing, technical theater, and middle school computer science and robotics due to the levy loss. The CTE program is structured to help students explore different career pathways while gaining hands-on experience. These programs not only equip students with the technical skills needed in today's job market, but also fosters critical soft skills such as teamwork, problem solving, communication, and critical thinking. Through partnerships with local businesses and industry leaders, students have the opportunity to engage in on-site visits, job shadowing, mentorship, and internships, further bridging the gap between education and employment. Our curriculum is regularly updated to reflect the evolving needs of industry, ensuring that students are learning relevant skills that will prepare them for the workforce. Students demonstrate their competency by earning industry-recognized credentials such as Microsoft Office, OSHA 10, First Aid CPR, Steel Eye Academy, and many more. All courses embed academic skills and often provide students the opportunity to earn equivalency credit in art, English, health, PE, and science. In addition, over 50 course articulations are aligned to college programs, offering access to more than 200 free college credits. We invite our industry partners to collaborate with us to enhance the CTE program. Their expertise and insights are invaluable in shaping our program that not only meets educational standards, but also supports the growth and development of a skilled workforce. Together, we can inspire the next generation of professionals ready to make meaningful contributions to their chosen fields. Thank you to the over 50 community and industry partners who joined our CTE advisory meeting showcasing our students. Learn more about CTE programs on our website, what course offerings are available, and how you can contribute to preparing tomorrow's leaders today.